The Hwange Central Member of Parliament, Daniel Malokele, Citizen Coalition for Change, has criticized the Chinese coal miners in the district for not respecting Zimbabwe's laws in their operations. Asipere mushe pana vatona kuti aiwa Daniel Malokele anova Citizen Coalition for Change legislator anouya achicriticize kuti aiwa zviri kuitiwa nemachinese nemachina aiwa muguta rehwange hazvisiri izvi vari kurespecta malaws enyika yezimbabwe. Sanapinda masvika buda nyogwa nobva wasubscribe like turn on the bell icon tipinda muna maoni kwamuchinzini. This follows complaints from residents of Ingagula Township in Hwange about excessive dust pollution caused by Chinese miners, haulage trucks, and coal mining activities. In a recent interviews with Vic4's Live, Malokele alleged that Chinese investors are shielded from scrutiny due to their connections with the powerful politicians in Harare. He argued that this protection has led to a sense of arrogance among the Chinese companies operating in the area, said Malokele. We have also made efforts to reach out to the Chinese companies. Most companies, local members are complaining that it's the Chinese companies that are leading in terms of violations of environmental laws and making sure that there is too much pollution, not just of the air, but of the land, but the rivers. But what we have learned is that Chinese companies are very arrogant and they never respect any type of law, including Labor Relations Act. These Chinas who are mining muguta rehwange, they are respecting mawiu the wish ema citizens. Vari kuita land pollutions, vari kuita water pollutions, vari kuti aiwa havasi kutsiurika ndoda kuti vakomana vane maconnections nema highest political activists vari the ruling party ZANU-PF aiwa vari kumuguta reHarare. Noda kuti aiwa kunyange mukana ripotera hazisi kubetsera, noda kuti aiwa vakachibata kuti dzvi vakabata kumusoro uko. Saimbotidze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Apinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.